Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 e-commerce tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about adding validation to the form. In our previous video, we have created this add new category form. Okay. In this form, if I click on submit button without entering any details, let's click on this button and you can see here it throws some error. Okay. So for avoiding this error, let's add the validation to this form. Okay, so for adding the validation, switch to the project and let's open the admin add category component class file. Okay, so just go inside the app directory, then http livewire admin, and from here just open admin add category component class file. Okay, this one, and inside this file you can see here this is the store category function. Okay, for adding the validation inside this method, let's add here dollar sign this arrow validate. Okay, validate method, and inside this pass an array, and inside this array just add here the property name. Okay, which is name, and add the validation. Let's say name must be required, and another column which is slug, and validation required, and also add here a validation unique. Okay, and enter the table name is categories. All right, and now before this store category method, let's add here updated livewire lifecycle hook method. Okay, so for creating the hook method, just write here public function and function name updated. Okay, and inside this function let's pass one argument which is fields. All right, and now just write here dollar this arrow validate only, and inside this first pass this argument dollar fields. So just copy and paste here, and another uh, after this just add a comma, and here add the array, and inside this array just copy this and paste here. All right, now save this file. Now open the admin add category component view file. So for that just go inside the resources directory, then views, and then livewire admin, and from this directory just open admin add category component.blade.php file. All right, and inside this file you can see here this is the form. After this input text field, uh, let's display the validation message. So for that just write here at the rate error directive error, and inside this directive just pass here the name of this control. Okay, so let's write here name. All right, okay, this property name, and now just add here the p tag p class, and add the class name text danger. All right, and inside this add here simply print here the message dollar message. All right, and after this p tag just close here the error directive, so right here end error. Okay, and now just copy this and paste after this input text field, which is called slug. So after this just paste here, and now change here the name slug. Okay, all right, now save this. Now it's done, so let's check this. So switch to the browser, and just refresh the page. And now you can see here this is the blank. Okay, and if I click on submit without entering any details, and you can see here this is the it's showing the error, the name field is required and the slug field is required. Okay, all right, now I'm just going to enter a duplicate value. Okay, so first open the shop link in new tab, and from here I'm just going to copy this category name. All right, and now just paste here, remove the spaces, and you can see here the slug, and you can see here the validation message, the slug has already been taken. Okay, because I have already added here a validation for the unique. Okay, unique validation, unique categories. Okay, that's why it's showing this validation error. All right, now let's change here the category name. Let's say new, let's add here new category, test category. Okay, test category. All right, and if I click on submit button, you can see here category has been created successfully. All right, see the category, so click on all category, and if I click on next, including, you can see here newly created category. Okay, all right, now let's add the validation with edit category form. Okay, this form. All right, so for that, switch to the project and just open the admin edit category complete class file. uh, you can see here this is admin edit category complete.php file. Okay, this is the class file, and inside this file you can see here one method which is update category. Okay, so before this line, inside this method, this function, just write here this arrow validate and add the array, and inside this array I'm just going to copy this and paste here. All right, and now uh, just copy this function, public function updated, this one, from the admin add category component class file. Okay, and now before this function just paste here. All right, now save this, and now open the admin edit category component view file. So from the resources directory we use livewire admin, and from here just open admin edit category component.blade.php. All right, and now just copy from admin add category component.blade.php file, copy this one. Okay, and paste inside this form. Okay, edit form. After this name input text field. Okay, and now copy the this one for the slug, so just copy, and inside the slug control, after this just paste here. Okay, now save this, and now it's done. So let's check this. So search to the browser and refresh the page. All right, and now it's loading. Okay, now just remove this category name, and you can see here the validation message, the field, the name field is required. Okay, all right, and you can also see here the slug field is required. All right, now try one more time. So just click on edit, and if I click change here any category name, just add here one, It's loading. Okay, now just click on update, and you can see here category has been updated successfully. All right. Okay. Now let's add the validation to the add new product form. Okay, so just click on all products, and this is add new form. Click on add new. This is the link for the form, and you can see here this is the add new product form. Okay, and now let's add the validation with this form. And if I click on this form, you can see here error. Okay, so let's add the validation. For that, switch to the project, and now just open the admin add product component class file. So from the app directory, you can see here this is admin add product component.php file, and inside this file you can see here the admin add product function. So inside this function, let's add here the validation $this arrow validate, and inside this pass an array, and inside this array let's write this property. So let's copy this and paste here, and now make some changes. So select this, press tab, and now select the public, so just drag, and also select the $sign one more time. Okay, and now just add here, just remove this, add here single quote, and remove this semicolon, add single quote, arrow sign. All right, and comma, and one more thing, inside this single quote just add here the required. Okay, name required validation, and for the slug add here pipe sign, then unique colon table name which is product, short description required, regular price required, and also add here validation numeric, and sale price is not required, so just remove this and add here numeric. SKU required, stock status required, featured not required, so just remove this, and no need, so just remove this validation, and quantity it also numeric, and also required. Okay, so required, and add here another validation numeric, and for the image add here the validation required, and also add here validation MIMES. Okay, and add here the format JPEG and PNG. Okay, all right, and now before this function let's add here the lifecycle hook method updated. So write here public function and function name updated, and inside this function pass one argument fields. All right, and now add here $this arrow validate only, and first pass the $fields in array, and inside this array just copy this line from here and paste here. Okay, now it's done, so save this, and now open the admin add product component view file. So from the resources directory, resources views livewire admin, and from here just open admin add product component .blade.php file. All right, and inside this file this is the form, and this is the input field for the product name. So for displaying the validation message just add here, so I'm just going to copy this line and paste inside the add product component.blade.php file, and now change here uh, name is same, so it's okay. So just copy this and paste for the slug. Alright, change here the property name, which is slug, and for the short description, copy this and paste here. Alright, and for the description and regular price, and copy this regular price and paste here. And for the sale price, copy this and paste here. Alright, and now for the SKU, so simply write here, oh sorry, copy this one and change here the name SKU in capital. And for the stock, after this, paste here and change the name stock underscore status. Alright, and feature it is not validated, so just leave it. And for the quantity, just paste here and change the name quantity, so just copy and paste here. Alright, and for the product image, and finally for the category. Okay, just copy and paste. After this, select. Okay, and add here the name category ID. Alright, and also inside the admin add product component to PHP file, after this image, add here the property name, category name, and add the validation required. Okay, required. And now just copy this and paste inside this method. Alright, now save this. Okay, now it's done. So let's check this. So switch to the browser and let's refresh the page. And now just click on add new. Okay, and all fields are empty, so now just click on submit. It's loading. Okay, now just click on submit and you can see here the validation, all validation error. Okay, all right, now let's add the validation with edit product. So click on all product, and if I click on edit product, you can see here this is the edit product form. Okay, now let's add the validation within this form. So switch to the project, and now let's open the admin edit product component class file. So from the app directory, http livewire admin, and from here just open admin edit product component.php file. Okay, and from this component class file, I'm just going to copy this line. Okay, so just copy, and inside the admin edit product component.php file, inside the update product method, before this line just paste here. Okay, and now just copy this method, updated. Okay, and just paste inside the admin edit product component.php file just before this method. All right, okay, and inside this method, is the property new image. Okay, so just copy this new image, and you can see here this is the image. So just change the property name and add here new image. Okay, and also change here new image. All right. Okay, and now open the admin edit product component view file. So from the resources directory, resources, livewire, admin, and from here just open admin edit product component.blade.php file. Okay, and inside this file, let's display the validation message. So for that, inside this product name, after this input text field, just add here. I'm just going to copy this line and paste here. Okay, property name correct, and for the slug, change the name slug. For the short description, so just paste inside the short description. For long detailed description for the regular price, sale price, SKU, and for the stock, featured not required, quantity, uh, product image. So after this, paste here, and last for the category. All right, and now let's change the name, property name. So just copy this category ID and paste here, and for the image, new image. Okay, and quantity, just copy this and paste here. Stock status, SKU, sale price, regular price, and description, short description. Okay, it's done. Name, slug, short description, all done. All right. So now save this file. Now let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. And now let's check the validation. So I'm just going to write here regular price, entering the character F, S, and you can see here the validation error message. The regular price must be a number. All right. Okay, and inside this product name, if I remove the product name, and here you can see the field, the name field is required. Okay. All right. So in this way you can add the validation with the form to the form. Okay. So in this way you can add validation to the form. So that's all about adding validation to the form. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.